Hello everybody, in this video we are going to create our characters. So for creating characters we should have sprites, and in adventure game sprites pack you can see that we have PNG images for guy character and girl character as well, and we can create our character and its animation with these sprite set. Okay, but for our main character we will not do that, and the reason behind this is that you can see that our character has this gun, and this gun is also included in the sprite. So as we want to change our guns by purchase, and we have inventory system where our character will change the guns and he can purchase new guns as well. So that's why we can't use these sprites, okay, because this has already gun. So the solution for this is that and this method I will show you that for enemies, okay, because we will create enemies with sprite sets. Okay, we don't use the other method which we are using for our player. So you will learn this method as well. So now if we go to our spriter, you can see the guy here, and for guy we have these parts separately. Okay, so we will set up these parts and then we will get our final result. So also we can get these parts. You can see these parts are like this separately, and we can use these parts. And if you have character designed in Photoshop, for example, you can bring its parts as well. Okay, so for that what we can do, we can create our character like this in separate parts, and then we can just bring it like this. Just I'm cropping this section, and after cropping, what we can do, we can just press enter to crop certain area. Then we can select the background and we can delete that background. So now you can see that we have these parts, although some areas are blurry, these borders, but we can use this for character. And I will show you the method that how you can create character from this your own Photoshop character as well. So from here we can go to file, save as, and we can save this character as a PNG, and I will just add it on desktop, and I will just name it police. So this is just like police, so that's why I'm naming this. Also we will come here and in sprites I will add this sprite as well. So now you can see we have this PNG image. We can just drag drop this image into sprites. So sorry. So now we have this character, and you can see this is a simple PNG image, and if we want to extract its different parts, what we can do, we can select the image, we will convert it to 2D UI, and then we will select multiple from here, sprite mode multiple. Then we will click on sprite editor, and we will click on apply. So now we have our sprite editor where we can slice each item separately. We can slice it manually, as well as we have auto slice. So this is a simple shape, so we can use auto slice. We can go to slice, we can select automatic, and then we can click on slice. Now if you select every part, you can see that every part is separated, and we have these separate images. Okay, and we can use it for character creation. So now we can just click on apply, and this is applied to our sprite. And now if we extend it, you can see the different parts here, and we can drag drop different parts, and we can rejoin it to get our character. So that's the process of character creation. Also I have bring these guns, so we will use these guns for our characters, and we will add gun change system and gun purchase system as well, and we will create a little store for purchasing the items, so that's why I bring these 4 type of guns. So now let's start creating our character. So here we will open the character spriter and the guy. First character we will create the guy, and for reference we will just bring a idle form of our character, which is this one, idle aim, and from here we can get some idea. Okay, so now we will move back spriter the guy, and then we can drag drop different sections. So first section will be this one with a smile I'm adding, so we need our smiley face for our character, and then we have a body, and we will just add any type of body. I will just add this one, and this is, you can see it is little bit wider we need, so let's add it here. And then we have our left arm, and for the these sections we can definitely rename these accordingly. Okay, so head, and this is the body, and then we can just add the arms. So for arms we have right hand, and we will just adjust right hand randomly for time. And here you can see the layering system. So layering is very important, so we will add some positive layers to our character. So for body I will just add it 5. Okay, from 5 layer we will start. For head we will add it 6. Okay, for right arm we will add it 6. Okay, because right arm will be overriding the this body section. Okay, so that's why. And then we have the right hand, this one, actually this is the left hand I think, and this is the right hand, although both are similar. And now we will just move it a little bit, and we will make it 7. Okay, we need it on the top of this arm. Okay, and then we will add the hand. So right hand we need this one, this one. Okay, our character will be holding our gun, so we will make it layer 8 because we need it on the top. And then we will just move to our legs, and we will add, before that we will add left hand, and this hand will be bottom of the body, so we will just add layer 4. Okay, and layering is very important, so again I will say that you should care of the layers, and otherwise you will get lot of problems. So here we have added this 5 layer, and then we need a hand, and I will just add this open hand because we should have gun for our character. So I will just add 6 layer for this hand, and that's nice. Okay, after that we need legs, and for legs we will just add our first leg, which is where it is, we have left hand, we have left foot and left foot, yeah, this one. So this is the first leg section, and this will be the left leg, and we will add 4 layer for this leg. Also actually not 4 layer, it is overriding it, so we will add the 6 layer actually. Okay, so after that we will add this left foot section, and this will be 7th layer. And after that we will add our foot, which is the left foot, which is this one, and we will just add it here, and it should be 6 layer in the bottom of the main leg. Okay, so that's nice, we have successfully created the left leg. Now we will add right leg. Okay, so we will just bring it here, and the position will be 6 because it is also on the top, and but yeah, it's on the top and hands are on the top. Yeah, that's fine actually. I think we should add it 4 because in this way we will see our bag as well. Okay, so but we should have gun in front, so we don't need it, so 6 is fine. Then we will add right foot and we will make it 7, and the last thing we need is our left foot, sorry, right foot, which is this one, so we will add it here, and let's make it 5 or 6, whatever, and this layer is 6, so we will make it 6 as well. Okay, didn't matter, but we are just following the rules. So now we have this character and we need a default gun for this character as well. So before adding the gun, we will just categorize the character. Okay, so here you can see body, here you can see head, and here is the right arm actually. Okay, so right arm, and this will be the right arm bottom, right arm bottom, and this will be the right hand itself. Okay, then we have a left arm, so we are just renaming it left arm, and then we have a left arm bottom, then we have a left hand, then we have left leg, we will just add name to left leg, then we have a left leg bottom, and then we have a left foot. Okay, after we have right leg, and we have a right leg bottom, and we have a right foot. That's it. Now we will just make these sections subs items of the upper item. Okay, so right foot will be in right leg bottom, right leg bottom will be in right leg. Okay, simple. Or left foot here and left leg here. Okay, left hand will be here and left arm will be here, right hand will be here and this one will be here, and then we have a body. Okay, so before organizing our character in a more better form, we can create a empty object. Okay, so this is a empty object, and if we select empty object, you can see this is the game object, and I will just place it in the position is in the middle. Okay, it doesn't matter, but I'm just making it like this, and here we will say player guy. Okay, so just we have named this character as a guy player, and now we will add all the sub items like this in this game object. Okay, so now this is our character, and we can move our character like this. Also we can just extend its these sections, and we can change and move separate bodies as well. Okay, so now this is our character, and we need a gun for our character as well, so we will add default gun for the character. So we already have guns in sprites, so here we will just add the gun, and you can see the size is too big. We will make it smaller size and like this, and definitely we will increase the layer to 7, I think. So yeah, 7 there is fine. You can see that other layers are at the right place, and here we can add this gun, yeah, like this. I think Yeah, this is the right position, but if you want to show the hand of the left hand actually, then we can definitely extend the left arm, or we can also rotate it if we want, and we can manage it. Okay, so if we want, so if you don't want, if you are comfortable with this, then it's fine. So I will just make this gun a little bit more smaller. I think this much is good, and yeah, this size is good, I think. Okay, and that's fine. Now we have gun for our character. So this gun name is gun 3, and I think we will add gun 1 as a default. Okay, so before that we will create the prefabs, so no problem. This is the right gun, that's fine. We will add other guns and we will resize them accordingly. Okay, also we will change the layers as well. So here you can see this is the gun 2 and its layer will be 7, and place it for testing purpose, and that's fine. That's, we are happy with this. This will be gun 1 maybe, because gun 1 is not there, and then we will add gun 2. We will resize it. Okay, and we will make it 7 layer. We will just bring it to the place, and here you can see we have this section. Okay, and yeah, that's fine. And then we will have gun 3, I think this is the last one. Yeah, so no, actually this is the gun 3 already added, and this one, yeah, so this will be gun 4. So we will just rename it to gun 4, and then we will bring it like this, and we will make layer to 7, and that's fine. So now we will just bring it at the right position. Yeah, so that's fine. So now we have 4 guns, and now we will make prefab of the guns, because we need new size for the gun. Okay, so now I will just create a folder here, and we will name it prefabs. We will add prefabs, and here I will just create another folder with the guns, and here we will just drag drop these guns, and whenever we want change in the guns, we will just make the prefabs, we will make settings in the prefabs. Okay, so now we can delete these guns, no problem. And also in prefabs we will create another folder, and we will name it players, and here we will create another folder. We will name it enemies. Okay, so that's nice. Now for the player we need a gun, default gun, so gun 1 will be added. So here let's add this gun, and we will just add the gun to player guy. Okay, and we can arrange it wherever we want, and then when we are happy, then we will add this gun to the right arm section. Okay, so right arm is good place, so if we rotate the right arm, the gun will be rotated. Okay, like this. So it's not necessary, but we can do that. So that's it, our player guy is ready. Okay, and I will just keep this here because we need our other character size should be like this. Okay, so because size is important. So now I will quickly show you the other character setup, which is in sprites, and this one, because the another character, the girl character, has the same procedure with this guy, so this have a little bit different procedure. So we will just move to create this character. So now you can see we have this head. We will just add the body, and I'm just randomly connected everything. And for body we will just make layer 5. For head we will just make it layer 6. For this one, yeah, this is the right arm, and sorry, now we can just add it here and we can make it to 6. Okay, and then we have, I think this section, the police 5 maybe, yeah, and this will be 7. And then we have a hand, and I don't know which hand is good, so let's add this one, and this will be 8. Okay, or 7 or 8, whatever you want. Then we have legs, and for legs I think let's add this one, no problem. And this will be 4, and we will just duplicate it, and I will bring it here, and let's add it 4 as well. And then we have a foot, and I don't know where is the foot, and actually in image we have, yeah, we have these sections as well, sorry for that. So this is the bottom of the body where we can add 6, and yeah, that then we have this section. And this image is not good. I was just explaining you the method, and maybe we don't use this character later on, but I was just showing you the method of creation. Okay, so don't worry about that. So here you can see we have another arm, and we can add this arm here. We can make it 4, then not 4, actually 6. So then we can rotate it, and actually for the left arm I think the 4 layer is fine because it will be in the behind. So after that we have this one, let's add it here, 7, not 7, we can add 6 actually, and then we can add this one, and it's just for learning purpose, it's not the final character. So now we can add this shoe here, and the layer will be 7 maybe, and this shoe here, and layer will be 6 maybe. Okay, so that's it. This is our character, and now what we can do, we can select all the items and then we can scale it, but it will create a problem. So before that we will just create an empty object. We will place it in the middle of the body. We will rename it to police player police. Okay, and this player we will select as a default, and then with purchase we can purchase these players. Okay, so that's better idea. So now we can just bring it here, and after that we will select police. We will bring it here. We will just make it bigger, something like okay. So we can just randomly bring it here, and when we are happy with the size, then that's it. And now we will just add definitely we can rename every section as well, like head, like body, like right arm, and then we have bottom arm, bottom arm, right hand, okay, like this. So I think you should have a very nice understanding of character creation, hopefully. So left leg, torso, left arm, left bottom arm, left hand, okay. So this way you can definitely select right foot your characters, you can create your characters. Left foot, okay. So here is torso, and under torso we have we should have right leg, and okay, we will just keep these separately. Right leg and right foot will be here, and left leg and left foot will be here. So now everything is organized a little bit and we are happy with this. And if we go to game view, you can see this is our character and it's pixelated, so we will not use this character later on in our game, but the purpose was to show you that how we can create characters, and when you are happy with character, we can just drag drop it, and this is the character model itself. Okay, that's it for this video. In next video we will create animations for our character, and our characters now offline. I will just ready the all the characters, and then we will move further. Goodbye.